Let's create a vintage outdoor design in Studio. Perfect for t-shirts, stickers, labels, and more. Set a large canvas. I'll use the Printify t-shirt preset as a start. Set a background color and add a text field. To create the vintage look, we'll mix a few different styles of fonts to create contrast and hierarchy. Try mixing handwritten fonts with classic serifs and a mixture of cases to add a bit of variation into the design. I've also added 2 arrows from the Elements panel for detail. Play around with different combinations until you're satisfied. Now let's jump over to Creative Fabrica to find a custom image for the design. I'm searching Wilderness. Here's one that will work. Download it and upload to Studio. Click the graphic to add it to the canvas. I love the colors in this artwork, so I'm going to change the background to match by color picking. This will create nice contrast for a striking design. Recolor the text and graphic elements to match. Making the text white will help it stand out. Let's complete the design by adding some more text at the bottom. Again, I'll create contrast and hierarchy by playing with different font styles, letter spacing, and breaking the design up with a few graphics from the Elements panel. Color matching these to the main artwork ensures consistency and visual harmony. Have fun and experiment with your own designs and combinations. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips. Studio, go beyond ordinary.